Hello my friends, welcome back to Developers. Today we are talking about something every developers need. Faster coding and better productivity. Today I'm going to share 5 must-have VS Code extensions that can help you to code smarter and of course save valuable time. If that sounds helpful for you, put like and comment for me, and please subscribe my channel and stick around. And now let's go. So my friends, as I said, today I'm going to share 5 must-have VS Code extensions in VS Code for you to make your work easier and faster. The first extension is auto rename tag. In this part, you should just write auto rename tag and click on the first one. As you can see, it automatically updates the closing tag when you change the opening tag. For example, if I change div tag to section, the closing tag change instantly. Imagine how much time you'll save when working on large projects. No more fixing tags manually. And for example, I want to show you in this component, if I change this div to section, as you can see, the closing tag is changed to section also. Second on my list is Prettier, a lifesaver for clean code. Here I should just write down Prettier, and as you can see, the first one, you should install it from here and you can make it disable from here. It automatically formats your code, fixing spacing, idents and more. Instead of wasting time cleaning up messy code, just run Prettier and it looks perfect in seconds. Trust me, once you try it, you won't go back. For example, in this component, we have these ruined HTML tags. And here, if I save my file like this, everything become nice and good. And if you want to set Prettier with your Control S to save your file, you can navigate here to setting and search here format on save and just check this checkbox here, and if you put it checked, you can make your code very beautiful by Prettier just with Ctrl S on your project. The third one, if you are working with React, you need the ES7 plus a Snippets extension. You should just write it down here and click on the first one and install it here. Why write a full component by hand when you can type RFCE and get the whole boilerplate ready? It's huge productivity boost. No more repetitive typing. For example, if I clear all of this and just write down RFCE, and as you can see, we have this component ready here. Next is bracket Pair Colorizer 2. Perfect for long blocks of code with multiple parentheses. This one. It uses different colors for matching brackets so you can easily see which one pairs with which. Debugging nested code. This is a game changer. For example, if I have if statement here, as you can see, different color. For example, I should just say loading, and this bracket, this color is different with this one. If, for example, true, and the other bracket, and as you can see, this is purple and this one is blue. Finally, pass intelligence. You write down pass intelligence here and click on this one, and you can see everything. Instead of typing out full file path when importing, you get autocomplete suggestion as you type. It saves time and avoid pass errors. A small extension that makes a big difference for you. That's wrap up of my top 5 VS Code extension for better and faster coding. If you enjoyed this video, put a like and drop a comment with your favorite extension. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys, be nice and farewell developers.